This is a production of the Michael Parsons Trading Institute. All rights are reserved. No duplication or distribution is permitted without written authorization. Forex Reversals presents another live trade example, trading with Forex Reversals. British pound against the euro. We're currently on the date of Friday, February 28th, and we have a hourly reversal due here at the moment. We've already had it, and it's starting to form a change in direction. So we're going to go down to 10-minute, and it looks like we are breaking down. Now, in my quotes, it's the opposite. So we're going to bring up a chart here on the 5-minute, and we will first off decrease the view here. And so we're looking to, based on this, we're looking to, because this chart says opposite, we're looking to actually buy into this market. Where this is expected to decline, the current currency is expected to rise. So therefore, we're going to do a buy here on this, and so we get to the quotes, and we're going to do a buy, and we're going to set this up so we can take a close look at it. And now we're going to go to our chart, and what we're looking for this is, in this case, this chart to decline. This is the 10-minute that we're currently looking at. And what I've done is I've taken the hourly, and here I'm acting off the hourly reversal, expecting to sell. And I've moved it down to 10-minute. And while we don't have quite the confirmation that I would like to have right now, which would be right here, this break, we do have a decline started off of this. And so we will run a stop that's fairly tight. I can run a stop like this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a little bit more breathing room and set it up here. And I'm going to also watch it from this angle, a very simple trend line basics. And we're going to watch to see if it exceeds any of the section area here, which point we would exit. Now, because this is opposite, we're looking for this market on the regular chart for the order system to rise from here. So we're going to see how things go, and we'll come back and check later. So far, it looks like this trade's just starting to get underway on the British pound and euro. We're starting to have a decline here, and we're breaking through the trend line. We have until this hour before the next signal, so we've got over an hour before we get there. So we're going to let it ride. We can see where the market did come back up. We had a stop just above there. I'm focusing on this particular zone between the trend line and the highs, and it did peak up there, but was held. So we're in good shape, and so far it's starting to decline. I'm going to adjust this to the latter point and watch that, as well as maintain this line of focus. And currently, so we look at it on the hourly time frame, you can see that we still have a ways to go before the next reversal. And so we're going to go back to the 10-minute and watch this and monitor, see how it does. Respond off of this hourly reversal, which is right here. So I need to look at getting out. We're currently looking at the 10-minute, and so let's go over and see what I can do to get out of this. We're just going to close it out. Actually, let me go down to the 1-minute and see how it appears. Looks like it might come down here a little bit more. So I'm going to try to get in or get out as it approaches down this level. Looks like we should have some support here, so I'm not expecting a lot. So we're going to go ahead and exit it. That should be close to what I'm after. A little bit more. 12.1. bit lower. May have a problem getting it lower. Now, I don't like how this is showing up, so I'm going to go ahead and take the exit and close it out. Should have been there a little earlier, but there we go. And the close position on the Euro British Pound, 11.8. So that's not bad at all. So that concludes that trade, and concludes as we look back here real quick again. So we look back at the hourly. We're going to do a reversal here, so it's reacting off of that, and so I want to take profits on that. And that concludes this trade. This is a production of the Michael Parsons Trading Institute. All rights are reserved. No duplication or distribution is permitted without written authorization.